Universe. Cosmology of Hobbies. A substance space to wake up from the empty space. Cosmology of Hobbies. Time is Force began writing in 2008. From the dynamics of the expanding universe, the light velocity gravitational mass time has arisen. This expanding space is four-dimensional space-time. And with the introduction of the vague field, I gained insight into the cause of the accelerated expansion of the space. It was an intellectual adventure. I started fumbling, but I believe I could explain the unexpected cosmology principle very simply and uniformly. Introduction of vague field substance space to wake up from the empty space. Fireball. All logic is broken at that moment in the Big Bang theory of the universe. It is not possible to theorize the occurrence of none. So we will name the area of the universe's container the vague field and proceed. Theoretical physicist Lisa Randall thought our universe was like a drop of water that arrived at the shower curtain of the bathroom. Water droplets can move over the shower curtain but cannot jump out of the bathroom away from the shower curtain. Since the film was not flat but was shaking, I thought that a Big Bang occurred at the part where it was touched. Reference. Movie is a behavior experiment of polka dots in a zero-gravity space. The polka dots vibrate three-dimensionally. If this polka dot is the whole picture of the universe, our universe exists in the expanding area. However, the swollen area of this polka dots is also thought to be totally different thing in the area which was previously contracted. And the first point at the moment of converting from this contraction to expansion, it is considered a quiet Big Bang, the turning direction, which has no singular point. From this contraction to the expansion instead of expansion starts from one point but gradually increases, so the substance space also increases and it expands. In other words, the area of zero behavior becomes the universe expanding while acquiring inflation energy and reorganizing into the expanding universe. For the first time here I was able to write the structure principle of the Big Bang as sentences. Vague field. The world of inflation principle begins in the area which expands in the motion which rises and depresses like a polka dots floating in the space. And this world is maintained from the curiosity of light speed, gravity, mass, time. There is an intermediate zero state when turning from expansion to contraction. In the zero state, the principle of light velocity, gravitational mass, time disappears. I think that the universe will be dark at this point. In this way the universe will contract, and I think that the light velocity, gravitational mass, time will work in the opposite direction. Characteristics of the quiet Big Bang theory, which has no singular point, to the cosmology theory which has been built up until now. 1. It is unnecessary to think that the substance was condensed to one point at the start of the Big Bang. 2. There is no need to think that the expanding universe was started by the explosion. 3. There is no need to question the observation that acceleration is expanding. This will acknowledge the ether of a new concept. But the existence of ether is a basic thing that makes up the container of the universe, not in our space-time space. It is thought that our space-time has been born in the slightly swollen area of the 14-year-old universe filled with ether. Vague field is a space that is changing as it is all. Here, the expansion region, the contraction region, and the almost stop region coexist. These are dominated by the law of inertia. I believe that these three spaces are connected seamlessly and the conditions of the space change seamlessly. In the expansion space our cosmic principle is working, but in shrinking space light comes from the sky toward the observer. Therefore the universe is a pure white space and the sun and the stars are shining black. Gravity acts as a repulsive force between substances and maintains separation of stars even in a space that contracts. Since mass and time have no direction, it seems to work similarly. Start of contraction, accelerated contraction, maximum velocity of contraction, decelerating contraction, end of contraction. The movement of the vague field turns the spatial principle. Start of expansion, accelerated expansion, maximum speed of expansion, decelerating expansion, end of expansion. If the behavior of the vague field is a sinusoidal wave, the reason why accelerated expansion is observed is that the expanding universe is still young. The discovery of accelerated expansion was the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011. With this, light speed, gravity, mass, time, and the cause of space expansion, which was the last difficult problem, could be explained unifiedly. Our universe exists in a part of the vague field. But the physical principle is not unique to our universe, but it is the law of principal inertia common to the entire universe. What is the substance of vague field? At the end of inflation, the inflation pressure will be zero, but gravity will also be zero, so that electrons will not fall into the nucleus. It is, so to speak, a frozen atom. And this frozen atom is very inactive, and there will be no change in space even if hundreds of millions of years have passed. In my cosmology, the space that does not expand will be an absolute zero-degree world. We believe that there is neither light speed nor gravity in the inflatable space. No internal pressure supporting the atomic space nor time flow. After that, the activity of the atom restarts under the expansion pressure or the contraction pressure. This state is the beginning of a new universe. As you can see, there is no big change in the material placement of the vague field. I feel that the control to maintain the size and order of the vague field is working, keeping the uniformly dispersed form without substances being solidified by gravity. Since the vague field transcends the space, we can observe both the space scale and the time scale. It can be understood as an image when thinking that the spacetime of 14 billion years is included in the small movement. Vague field stabilizer. In the vague field, if the expansion of space expands quickly, it can be thought that gravity works strongly and works slow when we are slow. If the expansion expands quickly, the force of gravity becomes stronger and the power to summarize the universe becomes stronger. If the expansion of the space is slow, the gravity will weaken and there will be no worry that the galaxy will solidify with gravity. Similarly, if the contraction of the space is fast, the repulsive force becomes strong. And if the contraction slows down, the repulsive force becomes weak, so it is considered that there is no worry that the substance will diffuse due to the repulsive force. In the expanding universe, substances accumulate due to gravity and the huge star makes heavy atoms by supernova. On the other hand, in shrinking universe, the substance decomposes by repulsive force and becomes a light atom. It is thought that the substance is swaying in the universe, which repeats expansion and contraction. It is thought that the vague field is dominated only by the law of inertia. Light velocity, gravity, mass, time is a secondary principle created from the dynamic movement of the vague field. Scale feeling of vague field. I think that our universe on a small part of a huge vague field is like an ant on the back of an elephant. I think that it looks like a flat and uniform field for ants. In addition, the time of our 14 billion years is condensed in the momentary movement of the vague field. We think that the light speed is very fast, but on the scale of the huge vague field it is not as fast as the blurry movement is the light speed. It is clear that things like speed and time sense are relative. The elephant's walk seems late and the mouse feels quickly, but if you measure it, it will not change much. The heart rate of a small animal quickly. The heart rate of a large animal is slow because the body time is determined by the heart rate. I think that elephants and rats live their time world, and the lifetime length of time feel the same there. Will be. Transition of smooth principle. This world was not a big bang but a transition of a quiet principle. In the first place, it is inevitable in the four-dimensional world that space cannot be stabilized unless shrinkage and expansion coexist in four-dimensional space. In other words, the spatial principle that the shrinking universe in which the expanding universe diverges will condense is contradictory. Also, Big Bang Theory, which started from one point, cannot answer the question of what exploded how. The four-dimensional space is the space where the expansion region and the contraction region are held while maintaining balance. The universe that started in a part of the expansion region, and this is our expanding universe. And the light speed, gravity, mass, time is the physical principle that the behavior of the four-dimensional space is generated. Here I feel that there exists an absolute amount invariant principle of the universe. Expanded universe model which awakens at the same time. The original space diagram of time as force was a Big Bang model that the substance space expands, but it cannot be thought that the substance expands by introducing the vague field. Suppose there is a balloon that has been inflated halfway here. The balloon does not expand in a state where no breath is blown. When breathing in, inflation starts and simultaneous light speed, gravity, mass, time begins. That is when the breath is blown and the expansion starts. The beginning of space-time will be the beginning of space-time, and the space principle will start in the entire expansion area. In the expansion area, the cosmological principle started at the same time, but since the formation of the galaxy is not simultaneous, the light of the galaxy which was born late has not reached yet. Therefore, it is considered that a sparse universe like the present is observed observationally. Since the expansion started before 14 billion years ago, the light in the area far from the light years of 14 billion light years has reached the Earth. This light comes from the farthest distance. Light of nearby stars is observed as light of the past reaches as far as the distance. Cosmology. Although I was not able to understand exactly about the fact that light is observed from all directions in the space diagram of time as force, I could explain simply and clearly with the introduction of vague field. Our universe is a sphere with a radius of 14 billion light years. Even if the human has science and technology that can move in the range of 1 light year, the size of the universe is 14 billion times so that in fact it cannot move at all in the universe. This is also the same for light, and the light speed is said to be totally slow at the universe level. In the universe, I think there are no visible big changes in the arrangement of galaxies. When considering the time scale, the universe can be said to be a solid that is harder to change than iron. And expansion of the space is more difficult to change than the movement of expansion or contraction due to the temperature change of the iron ball. Spatio-temporal structure predicted from this figure. Space-time started before 14 billion years ago. The Sun was made 5 billion years ago. Earth was made 4.5 billion years ago. This means that even if a new galaxy is born at a position far away from the time distance, we will not observe it. That is, it exists as dark matter. If we think that the material energy explodes and diffuses according to the conventional Big Bang theory, it is considered that galaxies exist in high density in the early universe. On the other hand, if the material aroused by the expansion energy from the four-dimensional space rather than expanding and diffusing from one point, there is no bias in the distribution density of galaxies. In order to observe the structure of the universe, it is necessary to observe the whole sky of Hubble ultra-deep field. Hubble ultra-deep field photography advances, and if the distribution density of the galaxy is uniform irrespective of the distance from the observation result, material space theory to be awakened from the empty space will be verified. Percentage of observable galaxies. It is said that the amount of substance observed is 5% of the whole universe, but even if a new galaxy is born at a position far away from the time distance, we will not observe it. A galaxy that can be observed older than the time distance can be expressed by the volume of a pyramid V equals 1/3 t cubed. Since 2/3 exists in the range that cannot be observed. In practice, 15% of the total is considered to be a substance. When considering the quantity of substances observed as 5% of the whole universe, I felt that the reality of the universe is hard to grasp and expanded the frame of thought into a different dimension space, but in reality it is thought that 15% of the substance exists In material space theory, waking up from the void of the vague field, you do not have to think that the universe collapses by gravity or diverges due to expansion. There may be no meaning in equations that consider materials and space energies. In the expanding universe, it seems that the energy of the space undergoes phase transition to substances while expanding and cooling. And in shrinking cosmos, the material is decomposed by the contraction energy and it is phase transformed into energy. A structure that repeats expansion and contraction like this can draw a stable eternal space image without singular point. Astrophysics and cosmology. This shows the range of general astrophysics and cosmology. Although this classification shows a field where there is no method other than the scope and theory to be studied focusing on substances, the scope of cosmology has gradually narrowed due to advances in observation technology. Newtonian mechanics was also a concept that decided this world that could be said to be cosmology at that time. There is no one currently thinking that this is cosmology, but I think it is an important element of cosmology. This figure does not describe the cause of the light, velocity, gravity, mass, time in the container of the universe. It is important to see the outside of observational physics, the cosmology theory. C. G. M. T in a formula is not a constant. This is a variable born out of the unknown cosmology principle. If you think so, you need to understand that the current science is an approximation that holds in the local coordinate system. It seems like an effort to look for things that do not understand the trendy multidimensional cosmology. I think that if you read this cosmology you can understand that SF movie warp navigation and time travel are impossible. I feel that there are two kinds of things that I do not understand when thinking like this. It is an unknown thing struck from the wilderness and a delusion that a human made. Scientific cosmology begins from finding this difference. Unknown cosmology principle. I think that it is difficult to understand that gravitational force is generated from the expansion of space and repulsive force is generated from contraction of the space. We are looking at it from our coordinate system. It seems that the substance and its surroundings are accelerating with respect to the space rather than the expansion speed changing from the expansion space. The expansion space has no stress-free movement in accordance with the law of inertia. For example, a roller coaster has free movement but passengers experience acceleration and deceleration. It is similar to this. The reason why the repulsive force is generated from the contraction of the space is also the same. Substance has gravity in all directions of space. This is to have acceleration in all directions against space. Accelerating movement of a substance means that the gravitational force in the moving direction decreases and the gravity on the opposite side increases. This is the mass of the substance that receives resistance from the space by the action on the space. In addition, time is a concept created by humans, and I believe that the change of the place caused by the expansion of the space has passed over time. Neither atoms nor elementary substances and substances are not stopped with respect to space. Only photon is stopped against space. This is a four-dimensional space. I told that the expansion is the inertial movement of the space, but there is a big question as to why there is inertial force in the space where there is nothing. Probably the inertial force is not a force. It does not do anything. It exists in the presence as it is. I think that it is the background of every principle that cannot be theorized even if it thinks it is not power. Vague field, which is the background, although there is movement corresponding to the size here. Our measure can be perceived as light speed with our scale, which is too small. Because the scale differs by dozens of digits, it can just be thought of as the difference between our world and the elementary particle world. I compared it to a polka dots floating in space. But I think it is inherently impossible. Summary of points. Cosmology. The light speed in time is force as a visualization of the photon on the expansion of the space, and the plaque of the expansion rate of the substance and its surroundings. Consider the gravity as the distortion of the space. and the total amount of distortion of the space created by the substance is mass. Time is also the energy expanding space, thereby creating a four-dimensional space-time. This four-dimensional space-time is the subject of this cosmology. We think that light speed will run very quickly, but this is the expansion of the universe itself, not as a speed relative to the space of the particle. I feel that the speed of light exists because we are staying in the expanding space rather than moving light. The four-dimensional space-time expanding in the space surrounding this real universe is recognized by us as light velocity gravitational mass time. The sight that we can observe is like the history chronology written from the Big Bang as a starting point to the continuous time axis to the observation point. In each era, the light that went to the Earth traveled through the expanding universe and is now reaching cause of the light speed. Photons separated from the light source in the space expanding at the light speed seem to diffuse at the light speed as seen from the observer as it is directly affected by the expansion cause of gravity. Expansion of the space is continuous from the inside of the substance to the outer space. Expansion speed changes in the inside of the material. This is observed as gravity by us as acceleration of the space cause of mass. If it is assumed that the derivative of the curvature of space is gravity, the integrated mass is considered to be the mass of the substance cause of time. Since space expansion and time flow are the same, c t equals 1, we are felt that change of space and energy due to expansion is a flow of time. Dynamic coordinate system. Substances are constantly left out of space expansion. This marginal energy is the gravitational mass time. It constitutes a space's energy that the dynamic movement of space itself cannot be seen. Cause of spatial expansion. There is a contracted region and an expanded region in the raised and depressed movement of the vague field floating in the space. The beginning of inflation of this vague field is the beginning of the expanding universe. In this theory of cosmology, I define the container of the universe vague field. By defining infinitely sized containers, we have proposed a quiet Big Bang theory at the beginning of the universe which does not have singularity and does not fail logic. When thinking with things organized, the natural world is very simple. When I began writing cosmological theory, I received a feeling of entering a vast unknown area. However, I noticed that there are very few known principles. As a result of organizing and rebuilding these, we were able to induce a simple and clear result which is unexpected. What philosophy and religion do people create if this world realizes it is simple? While I wrote this page, I read the topic on cosmology, but many are converging to the spirit world. Every intellectual action is guided by an intentionally made labyrinth. This cosmology is derived from known knowledge excluding fiction. The cosmology of Hobby departing from the cause of the light speed time is force reached a quiet Big Bang theory which finally has no singularity celebrating 10 years and was able to explain the cause of the light velocity gravity mass time on the spatial expansion in an integrated manner. We have reached the point of view to consider the whole picture of the universe from the space-time region of the past. History of cosmology. About 100 years after Newtonian mechanics, electromagnetism was born. 100 years later, nuclear physics was born, and Einstein represented relativity theory. And 100 years later, the background radiation of the universe was observed and it became possible to imagine the structure and contour of the universe with the four-dimensional dynamic cosmology theory. Newton's Principia, describing the mathematical principle of natural philosophy. In 1687 it was an epoch-making merger of mass momentum inertia with mathematics. Einstein's general relativity theory. Before 1915, there was discovery on materials and energies such as discovery of X-ray Röntgen in 1895, discovery of Curie, radium in 1898, Planck's quantum hypothesis in 1900 and so on. The result was summarized in Einstein's E equals mc squared formula. In 1929, when Hubble observed the retrogressive phenomenon of the galaxy back in time, it turned out to be the Big Bang Theory, which started from a turn and reached today. Accelerated expansion of space was discovered in 2011 and we won the Nobel Prize. But we cannot explain the reason for this accelerated expansion at the moment. It can be said that the outer appearance of the universe has finally come to be able to be seen by the satellite observation technology advanced in the last 100 years. Image of Hubble Ultra Deep Field photographed by Hubble Space Telescope. Observation of the cosmic microwave background radiation confirms the end of the universe. 95% of the material composition of the entire universe is invisible and hydrogen and helium are confirmed as 5%. We describe these latest information as four-dimensional dynamic cosmology, which associates. Thank you for reading and listening to the end.